Hola, ¿qué tal? And welcome back to San Antonio, Texas. Now that ChaCha Zee have stuffed their little penguin cheeks full, let's go see what new adventure awaits.
Zee, are you sure we're gonna know our own way around San Antonio?
No worries, ChaCha. I'm a map master.
Oh no, I hope Didi isn't far away.
Says here the Riverwalk, or in Spanish, Paseo del Rio, winds along 15 miles of the San Antonio River.
Wow, 15 miles? That's a long walk for web feet.
Oh no, you love the way we travel. Remember the boat?
Didi, I hope you were still around.
The connection of this U-shaped part was built for flood control in the 1930s by Robert Hugman, a San Antonio hero.
And look, down here is the Mission Trail, with 5 of the oldest missions in Texas.
Above downtown are the museums. Art, modern art, performing art, science, natural history, educational experiences.
Any taco experiences?
There's even a golf course, a zoo, and a really cool train just for kids like us.
There's so much for kids to see and do.
So we better get going.
Zee, are you thinking what I'm thinking?
Freestyle Explore!
With a little help from me.
Could I come too?
That's a double-decker bridge.
Just like the bus I rode in D.C.
Wow, I want to go to D.C. someday.
You can and you should, and so should you, kids.
Speaking of buses, check us out. Hey, does this cost much?
Just get a one-day pass. All the riding you need.
Ah, this is Rosita's Bridge for Rosita Fernandez, a world-famous Tejano singer. Traveled just like us from Monterrey, Mexico to San Antonio as a little kid. Sang in the 1940s to the 1960s.
Oh, what's Tejano music?
We're gonna learn that in
Episode 3?
You got it!
Whoa, what's that big red thing?
Says here it's the Torch of Friendship.
La Antorcha de la Amistad, a symbol of cooperation and shared culture between Mexico and the United States, especially San Antonio.
Oh, a friendship symbol.
65 feet of friendship. Well done, Mexico.
And this is Selena's Bridge, dedicated to Selena Quintanilla.
Let me guess, a Tejano singer?
Oh yes, the Queen of Tejano.
Episode 3?
You got it again.
There are so many places to eat on the Riverwalk.
There's Tex-Mex, classic Mexican, barbecue, seafood, Italian, Chinese, Cajun, Mediterranean, steakhouses, British pubs, ice cream, candy stores, and even American food.
Whoa, I need a one-day pass just for all the food.
Zee, is that all you think about?
Ooh, you should be here at Fiesta time.
We can fix that. Watch this.
You're right, Didi. It's magnificent.
How did you do that?
The magic of animation.
Wow. Then we should see it when they put up all the Christmas lights.
Allow me. Oh, it's so
Lit.
magical. This trip to San Antonio is just perfect.
Amazing. A river running right through the hotel. They think of everything here.
Wow, what a beautiful water garden.
What is that over there?
Mis amigos, that is one of the most important historic sites in Texas. And like so many other discoveries, it awaits us in episode 2. It is called the Alamo.
Ah, yes. I think I remember the Alamo.